Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unbox and then unwrap. One of this is the P Core 6-panel black. By the way, this is from Palace Skateboards. And then I got the one mesh eye t-shirt, gray mark color, and then size medium. And then the other one's a navy color mesh eye t-shirt and size medium. And then the third t-shirt is a piece open doors t-shirt, black color, size medium. So let's go and then unbox this. So they only give me one white sticker. It's a return form like always. So here's the total damage. $192, $12 shipping fee. The tax is $16.80. Wow. So total I spent on this is $220.80. Let's cut open the cap first. Here's a sticker with the barcode, the style, description, and then color. And this is one size fit all. So there's like a hole punch right here. This side, left and right hand side on the front and in the back. In case you don't want to do some legit check. So this is a P and then cord in corduroy. Wow, pretty nice hat. And I think it says Palace on those rivets or the ring. Yep, it says Palace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because this is a 6 panel. And you got the Palace box logo label right there. And right here's an embroidery Palace on there. There's your adjustable buckle right here, and it says Palace on there as well. And this is what it look like inside. Be sure to look for this tag. Palace Skateboards. And then on the back, you should have the description of the cap. And then 100% cotton and your care instruction. And your oil number. This cap is made in Vietnam. Oh, and then there's your P logo right there. So this one's the mesh eye t-shirt, navy color, and then size medium. There's your description. There's your barcode right here. Always get this Ziploc bag. So the reason I pick up this because of the back. In the front, you got this Trifer logo. It's kind of hard to see. Almost like those 3D dimension. You had to look at it, this long time. See the palace right here. Palace right here, palace here, and then palace here, okay? And then here's your Trifer logo right there. I'm kind of surprised that it wasn't sold out or not as popular, but anyway. And on the front, you got the same graphic design, except it's a different color. It's a size medium. I like the Palace shirt. It's soft compared to Supreme. Supreme's a little bit rougher. Here's your tag. And then the description of the shirt. And this is made in Vietnam. So this is the same one, except this one's the gray marl color, same size. So the gray one, you got the neon green with the black on the front. And then on the back of this hot pink. same as the navy one. At first I thought it was only on the front, but I was kind of surprised it has it on the back. So every time it comes with this silica gel. And this one is the piece, open doors t-shirt, black, size medium. So you got a finger holding like this, and then a P right in the center of it. And all these are made in Vietnam. And then on the back it is plain for this shirt. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.